As humanity ventures further into space, seeking future habitats, the Moon and Mars have consistently been two major focal points. Each possesses unique characteristics, sparking widespread discussion about which celestial body is better suited to become humanity's second home. First, let's consider their geographical location. The Moon, as Earth's closest neighbor, has an average distance of only 380,000 kilometers, practically within reach in the vastness of the cosmos. In contrast, Mars, even at its closest approach to Earth, is still 55 million kilometers away, and at its farthest, it exceeds 400 million kilometers. Therefore, for the need of rapid round-trip travel between Earth and another planet, the Moon undoubtedly holds the advantage. Imagine establishing a base on the Moon. Everything from material transport to personnel movement would be significantly more convenient and efficient. In an emergency, support from Earth could also arrive swiftly. However, distance isn't the sole determining factor. The Moon's diameter is only 1/4 that of Earth, and its mass is a mere 1/80th, resulting in lunar gravity being just 1/6 of Earth's. Living long-term in such a low-gravity environment could adversely affect human bone and muscle strength. Mars, on the other hand, has gravity approximately 2/5 of Earth's, which is much closer to Earth's gravitational conditions. In this regard, Mars is more hospitable to the human body. Next, let's look at the planetary protective shield, the atmosphere. The Moon has no atmosphere, offering no barrier against cosmic radiation and little protection from micrometeorite impacts. The temperature swings on the lunar surface are extreme, reaching 127 degrees Celsius during the day and plummeting to minus 173 degrees Celsius at night. This drastic temperature difference poses a significant challenge for long-term human habitation. While Mars's atmosphere is thin, it can still block some cosmic radiation and micrometeorites. Although Mars also experiences considerable diurnal temperature variations, they are much milder compared to the Moon, with highs around 27 degrees Celsius during the day and lows of about minus 85 degrees Celsius at night. Regarding water resources, the Moon also falls short. Most of the Moon's water is concentrated in permanently shadowed regions at the poles and exists in the form of ice, making extraction and utilization extremely difficult. Mars performs better in this aspect, with subsurface water ice layers found 1 to 2 meters deep in some areas, extending hundreds of meters downwards. This means that if humans were to settle on Mars, acquiring water resources would be relatively much easier. Nonetheless, the Moon is not without its advantages. Lunar soil is rich in minerals and rare elements such as titanium, uranium, and thorium, which are crucial for future space exploration. Particularly noteworthy is helium-3, a non-radioactive isotope that can be used in nuclear fusion reactions, offering new hope for solving humanity's energy problems. It's estimated that the total amount of helium-3 on the Moon is around 1.2 million tons, enough to meet global energy demands for tens of thousands of years. The oxygen and hydrogen elements in lunar soil can also be used for breathing needs in crewed missions and as rocket fuel supply, while sintered lunar regolith can serve as 3D printing construction material, making lunar base construction possible. From the perspective of space exploration, the Moon is an ideal gateway to deep space. Without the constraints of an atmosphere, rockets launching from the Moon don't need to expend vast amounts of energy to overcome atmospheric drag, allowing them to carry more supplies further into deep space. Simultaneously, conditions for astronomical observation on the Moon are exceptionally good. The absence of atmospheric interference results in clearer and more accurate observational data. While Mars's gravity, atmosphere, temperature, and water resources are more suitable for human habitation, making its conditions more similar to Earth's, the Moon also possesses undeniable advantages in terms of resource reserves, geographical location, and its role as a deep space stepping stone. Perhaps in the future, humanity will first establish bases on the Moon, leveraging its resources and advantages to gradually accumulate experience and technology, before venturing to more distant planets like Mars.